Hi, it's Possum. We're at the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. We just had a photo taken with the koalas. Yay! So let's go have a look around.
Just again, just come over here. Yeah. Alright, take a photo. Yeah, we'll be the one. You don't have to touch it. Yeah. We'll do it. Look at this camera over here. Yeah.
Looking at lizards. Look at the flash. Alright. Yeah.
He's hiding on that rock in the sun.
Please put that on his map.
Yeah. Don't touch the fence, it's wet paint. Says don't touch.
Yeah, hurry up.
Lizard over there. Climbing up the stump.
Oh, there.
From now on, I'm going to call him Stump. It's a boy. They put the dingoes on leashes.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look, my
We've got to go through here, darling. Thank you. You don't want it to spill, what are you going to do? Like, okay, let's go to the next area.
Next
Charlie. Look how tiny their poos are.
Because they're thick.
They're like guinea pig poos.
No, they're like goat
It's like, don't say that about my poos.
Yeah.
This is more like jelly.
Do it again.
Okay, so everybody's got a seat. Also, we can get started with the fun stuff, which is the flying. So you'll understand why we have these rules as our first bird comes in. Her name is Iluka, and Iluka is a white-bellied or white-breasted sea eagle. And this is actually the second largest raptor species that we have here in Australia. So as their name suggests, you can find them along the coastline, and that's the eastern coast of Australia to be specific. Bit of guts there. They're also found in parts of Southeast Asia. However, sometimes you can see them hanging a little bit further inland, about 400 kilometres out west, as long as there is some sort of permanent waterway providing them with their food source. So this is Tato, everybody, and Tato is a barn owl. So I'll just remind everybody to make sure they're seated for this part, because she's going to be flying quite close over your heads this afternoon. Now the barn owl is very common and widespread throughout the world. They are found on every single continent except for Antarctica. And one of the reasons they are so common and widespread is due to their diet. So they love to eat rodents. They'll eat a lot of mice especially, maybe rats, maybe baby rats as well. They can get their little talons on them. And you can find rodents everywhere where humans live. This species is nocturnal, so that means they're active during the night time, because that's when the mice are roaming about. It can be a little bit daunting sometimes as she flies over. Free little haircut as well. So the barking owl gets their name because they have a very distinct vocal call. They actually do whoop. They go whoop, 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 whoop. But they do this at dusk and dawn. So they are known as crepuscular hunters, different from the barn owl that we just saw. So they're only active during very low light conditions. You can also hear that she's doing that very cute little trilling noise, pretty happy to get her food. And in the wild, they actually make a pretty terrifying screaming call. So sometimes nicknamed the screaming woman owl as well. One more flight. Beautiful. Now the first thing raptors speak, we get a pretty good understanding of the size of prey that they're able to take down. So in the wild, barking owls will actually catch something the size of a possum, pretty big, something as agile as a sugar glider, and sometimes they eat their own kind. They do eat other birds. Sometimes when they're flying, a lot of noisy miners, just on cue, try and harass these guys because they're a little bit scared. Elmo could actually eat them in the wild. But sometimes in the wild they'll catch large things. They can't eat all of it. It'll make them too heavy, so they only eat the most nutritious and delicious bits. That happens to be the brain. Now these guys like to eat rabbits, as I just said, sometimes maybe a feral cat as well. And it might surprise you, but they can actually hunt and kill kangaroos. Some of the big reds that you've been feeding in our reserve today. They won't do this by themselves though. These guys actually mate for life, which is kind of cute, but they'll fly around until that animal becomes so fatigued. They then go in for their kill using their powerful feet and sharp talons. They're able to puncture vital organs of their prey pretty easy. I've also read that their foot grip strength is 10 times more powerful than the human hand. Very impressive, not something you would want around your waist or your throat.
Remember when one sneezed on you, Michael? And one tried to attack Michael. Dad, dog.
Ribby hitty, ribby. He's like, no.
Doesn't like.
I'm trying you up.
In his mouth there, right? You don't want? Mouth is near that one.
It's a little one. We're disturbing his nice, his talent.
It's poopy.
Is that when the
Forever be called poopy.
It's funny to see so clear. You never see that. Look at these boys. A fine boy. Like a snake.
It's hiding in there.
Yes, over here. And over the rock.
Yeah.
Goes right through the rock.
She's got the head just sitting in between it.
The problems are up at the top. Sleeping. That was our trip to Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.